Annually, more than 115 million animals are used worldwide in experimentation or to supply the biomedical industry. In 2021, 3.06 million animals were used in the UK for various scientific procedures involving medical training, genetic engineering, and chemical, drug, food, and cosmetic testing. But the main question here is to what extent is animal testing ethically acceptable?
Animal testing has immensely helped humanity in multiple ways. Today, the advancements in biology were a result of studying how bodies work by running experiments on animals that would be impossible to run in human volunteers. This is because of the various genetic similarities between animals and humans. In fact, humans are 98% genetically similar to mice. There is also many diseases shared between humans and animals, and this has benefited researchers in understanding how to treat and prevent various conditions such as high blood pressure, diabetes, tuberculosis, cancer, and Parkinson's disease. Apart from that, many potential treatments, drugs, and vaccines work in theory, but they need to be tested on a living body to analyze the effectiveness and side effects to ensure the safety of people. Very often, it is possible to test this in an animal as they have a shorter lifespan, which decreases experimental times. This has provided us the ability to achieve life-changing discoveries ranging from the polio vaccine to the COVID-19 vaccine.
With the benefits come the drawbacks. Laboratory animals are forced to inhale toxic fumes, some have holes drilled into their skulls, and are caged in for hours, making them psychologically traumatized. Even when they survive, most animals are killed after the experiment ends without any painkillers. Regardless of the numerous tests done on animals for new drugs, 92% of drugs fail in human clinical trials despite appearing safe and effective in animal tests. For example, as of 2015, at least 85 HIV/AIDS vaccines were shown effective in experiments involving non-human primates, but none had managed to protect humans. Though many laws are implemented, even animals that are protected under the Animal Welfare Act can be abused and tortured. And the law does not require the use of valid alternatives to animals, even if they are available. According to PETA, 52% of people in the US feel that testing on animals is ethically wrong, and around the world, numerous believe animal testing is an act of cruelty which needs to be banned.
Therefore, to overcome some of the drawbacks associated with animal experiments and avoid unethical procedures, we need to follow the Russell Inverse 3R strategy. The three R's stand for reduction, refinement, and replacement of laboratory use of animals. Firstly, with the help of statistical support and careful selection of study using laser scanning, the researchers can produce meaningful scientific results of an experiment, which can reduce the number of laboratory animals used. Secondly, scientists should refine and enrich the animal facility so that pain, discomfort, and distress during animal life are reduced. This can also help the quality of research, as stress and discomfort can cause imbalance in hormone levels, leading to fluctuations of result and repeated experiments. Furthermore, various alternatives of animal testing should be used when possible, such as in vitro models, cell cultures, computer models, and new imaging or analyzing techniques. It's also important for the local and national government to make animal testing laws stricter and implement new rules at the same time, encouraging them to reduce the number of animals used for testing. Also, the government must make sure firms follow these rules and produce statistical data about their testing processes, as according to IPSOS, 41% of people in the UK think that organizations that engage in animal testing are secretive. Lastly, we want to inform everyone that we humans are not owners of the world. We're just guests, but at least let's try to be good guests. Thank you.